During Samsung's recent Q2 2024 earnings call, Daniel Araujo, VP of Samsung's Mobile Experience, MX, teased making top-of-the-line display and camera upgrades on the Galaxy S25 next year via Sammable. He says the company will also use the best AP application processor and memory to boost AI performance and offer an overall premium experience. Samsung is the leader in OLED display technology, and its flagship Galaxy S phones typically use the best panels available. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's 6.8-inch OLED panel can hit a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. More importantly, it uses Corning's new Gorilla Glass armor, which helps reduce reflections by a claimed 75%. With the S25 series next year, the Korean company could introduce new tandem OLED display technology, as seen on Apple's M4 iPad Pro, for even higher brightness and better power efficiency. As for cameras, previous rumors suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra could get a bigger 50MP 3x telephoto sensor. This should lead to a noticeable jump in quality and detail, especially given the tiny size of the S24 Ultra's 10MP 3x telephoto shooter. The company has used the same sensor on its flagship phone since the 2021 Galaxy S21 Ultra. The VP also briefly discussed Samsung's AI efforts. He mentioned that the company will work closely with its partners, including Google, and expects to be able to understand the context of conversations and provide a natural conversation and experience across our devices. Samsung already enjoys a healthy lead over its competitors in AI integration, which it could further extend with these improvements. With all the exciting upgrades Samsung has planned for the Galaxy S25, from top-of-the-line display technology to significant camera improvements and enhanced AI capabilities, do you think these innovations will make you consider switching from an iPhone to a Samsung device? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.